Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. When it comes to summertime, barbecuing is obvious. Steaks, burgers, hot dogs, grilled chicken and fish, vegetables, fruits, and so on. Grilling is a great way to enjoy these foods. I have an amazing recipe that my family and friends love when I make it on the barbecue. And here it is. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Creole Shrimp and Andouille Skewers. It's not spicy, but it definitely has some kick. The mix of shrimp, sausage, and fresh vegetables gives this dish a ton of flavor. This is one of those recipes you just have to make this summer. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a large bowl, we'll combine my Creole seasoning mix, which you can get by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. Then we'll also add butter, lemon juice, and lemon zest. We'll stir the ingredients very well before adding large shrimp to the mixture, and we'll toss them until well coated. Next, we'll place our ingredients on the skewers, starting with the red onion, followed by a piece of bell pepper, then a slice of andouille. If you want to make your own, click on this link on the top right corner of your screen. We'll also add a whole cherry tomato and then a shrimp, piercing it twice, just like this. We'll repeat again with the same order of ingredients, finishing it with a slice of onion. Now, we'll brush the remaining Creole seasoning mixture over the skewers on both sides, trying to cover as much as possible. When we're done, we'll move on to the barbecue. Just before putting the skewers on the grill, we'll oil the barbecue grates by quickly rubbing them with an oiled paper towel or using a brush. We'll place the skewers on the barbecue, leaving the ends of the skewers out, and grill with the lid down at 450 to 500 degrees for 5 minutes per side, turning once. When cooked, we'll remove them and serve the skewers immediately. And my friends, this is our Creole shrimp and andouille skewers. Packed with tons of flavor, this is unquestionably a grilled summer food you love to make. Not overly spicy, but certainly with some zip to them, these skewers are a perfect dish to serve this season. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!